Magandang araw mga fellow gun enthusiasts. Welcome to another video of Philippine Ricochet Line. And I just like to put up this quick update regarding sa maraming tanong sa akin ng mga ating community members doon sa video ni Guns Pinoy. A very recent video ni Guns Pinoy where he interviewed Police Major General Silo. And in that video, which I will link sa description ng video natin, please watch that video. By the way, guys, it's a very good update and maganda yung interview niya kaya Police Major General Silo. And in that video, sinabi doon ni Police Major General Silo na pwede na daw ulit magmay-ari ang mga civilian sa Pilipinas, sa mga legal gun owners sa Pilipinas ng semi-auto rifles in 5.56 and 7.62 caliber. Sinabi niya doon na approved na yon, which is important na sinabi niya yung word na approved. So, nung nakita ko tong video na to, ang una ko kagad ginawa is nagtanong kagad ako sa mga gun stores na alam ko nagbibenta ng semi-auto rifles kung pwede na kagad. And unfortunately, yung sagot nila dito sa tanong na to is hindi pa pwede kasi hinihintay pa nila yung official written memo from PNP FEO kung pwede na ba talaga ito. So, it's important to understand na itong update na to ni Guns Pinoy ay maganda. Maganda rin yung sagot ni General Silo dito sa bagay na to kasi it shows na marami na nangyari and malaki na yung progress na nagawa natin and we might see soon yung lifting ng permanently temporary ban on semi-auto rifles in 5.56 and 7.62 caliber. It actually covers way more calibers than that, pati nga 22 WMR, pero what we are seeing here, guys, is developments in a very positive direction, which I think, pag nagtuloy-tuloy ito at pinalad tayo, ay magiging dahilan na para ma-lift yung ban. I don't wanna call it just yet, kasi alam niyo naman ako, guys, mahilig ako sa paperwork, and until I see a written memo, which will serve the legal basis for this, I'm not gonna call it yet. Pero maganda yung sagot talaga ni General Silo dito. And he's very confident in it. And I think that we might just see the lifting of the permanently temporary ban on semi-auto rifles soon. So, to get further clarification on this issue, pumunta ako sa Camp Crame, sa CSG at sa PNP FEO. Pumunta ako doon last Friday, that was March 1, 2024, and I personally delivered to them a written letter from me asking for more details on this and clarification kung talaga bang na-lift na yung ban na yan and the paperwork that supports it, including the memos, yung revised IRR, and everything that we will need to hopefully give us the legal basis to say na talagang pwede na ulit magmay-ari ng semi-auto rifles. So, wala pa ako nakukuha ang sagot sa kanila. And I hope na makuha na natin yung sagot na yan sa PNP FEO. And I hope na ibigay nila yung lahat ng kailangan nating paperwork para makasigurado talaga tayo na ito na yung case. So, when I get their answer, I will let you know immediately kung pwede na ulit bumili ng semi-auto rifles in 5.56 and 7.62 caliber. Pero right now, guys, until hindi pa natin nakukuha yung official go signal from PNP FEO through a written memo, wag muna kayong bumili ng mga ganong rifles, okay? Kasi baka if bumili kayo ngayon at i-fully pay nyo yan, hindi pa yan marirelease until ma-release na yung memo na yon. Okay? So, iwasan natin yon. Pero kung gusto mo talaga ng semi-auto rifles in those calibers, well, given the very positive signs na nakita natin dito sa video ni Guns Pinoy at yung announcement ni General Silo, ang masasabi ko lang dyan is mag-ipon na kayo, guys, because those rifles and ammunition are quite expensive. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga, then congratulations. mukhang makikita na natin yung araw na yon na dumating na pwede na ulit tayong magmay-ari nito, which is so good. Kasi matagal ko na talagang pangarap na malift yung ban na yan para sa lahat ng Pilipino na gun owners and all gun owners here in the Philippines. And I think that we are finally going to see it after almost 7 years since the time ng Marawi, nung na-implement yung ban na yan, nung April 2017, up to now, tagal-tagal na, hindi pa rin nalilift, pero mukhang mangyayari na. So, I hope that we finally see this, and it looks like na mangyayari na yon. I'm not gonna call it just yet until makita ko yung paperwork na yon, and hindi muna tayo mag-celebrate until mangyari yan. Pero, this is a very, very good sign. And truth be told, malaking bagay ito sa Philippine gun privileges. So, there you go guys. If you like these rifles, mag-ipon na kayo para pag na-release yan, ay makabili na kagad kayo ng inyong mga semi-auto rifles. So, if you like to get this update immediately, please subscribe to this channel and check us out sa Facebook. Mag-like din kayo doon para once na makuha ko yung reply from PNP FEO, doon sa letter na sinend ko, ay isi-share ko kagad sa inyo yon ora mismo para makapag-decide na kagad tayo kung ano yung magiging next moves natin. At kung gusto mong bumili ng semi-auto rifles, you should go and get it immediately para para makuha nyo na kagad yan. I know some of you have been waiting for this for years, same as me, and this is a very, very good development. So, maraming salamat guys sa pagsubaybay. If you like this comment, please subscribe to this channel, like it, and share these videos kasi napakalaking tulong nun guys sa Philippine Ricochet line. So, there you go. Let's look forward to this, and I hope that the semi-auto rifle ban, the permanently temporary ban, is finally lifted and we can finally go back to owning semi-auto rifles here in the Philippines. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all in the next video.